Hello students, welcome all of you in the series of online classes, and our today's topic is welcome you all students. In my previous video I was discussing about the median of grouped data. Now today we will proceed and we will take some different question in which we need to find the median of grouped data. That is from exercise, I think 14.3, which I have discussed in my previous video, and I have discussed question number 1 of exercise 14.3. Now let's see today second question from this. The question number 2 is, if the median of the distribution given below is given, that is 28.5, you need to find the values of x and y. This is very important question. Such type of questions asked in examination. So your class interval is given 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, and this is last. And the frequency Fi is given 5, x, 20, 15, y, and 5. And here n is equal to 60. In this question, median is also given. Median is given, that is 28.5. You need to find the missing frequency, the value of x and y. And I write here median equals to 28.5. It is given. Okay. Now let's see how we will find the value for x and y in this question. Wherever the frequency are missing, that is frequency is given in the variable form, in that question you will see that median will be given. So here median is given 28.5 and we need to find the missing frequency, that is x and y. So first, as you know, in calculating median we calculate the cumulative frequency. So your cumulative frequency will be 5 plus x, 5 plus x plus 20, that is 25 plus x, 25 plus x plus 15, that is 40 plus x, and this will be 40 plus x plus y, and this will be 45 plus x plus y. This is our cumulative frequency table, and it is given that our median is 28.5. So by observing the class interval, we can identify that 28.5 will lie between 20 and 30. So this will be our median class. When median is given, then you have to look in the class interval and you have to find between which two class intervals the median will fall. So as you can see that your median is 28.5, which will come between the class interval 20 and 30. So 20 and 30 class will be the median class. That's why we will decide which one is the median class. Now children, apply the formula for the median. And one more thing here, median equals to, apply the formula for median first. Median equals to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. So you have L equals to 20 and your median is already given 28.5 plus n by 2, n is 60, so n by 2 will be 30 minus CF is the cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. So it will be, I think, 5 plus x, put in the bracket, by F. F is the frequency for median class, that is 20, into H. H is your class size, which is 10. So now we have put it all the values of the variables or things explained in the formula. Now we have to simplify it. So first you transpose this 20 from RHS to LHS, so it will become 28.5 minus 20 will be equal to 30 minus 5 minus x, open the bracket, by 20 into 10. So this 0 0 will get cancelled. So here we will get 8.5 after subtraction, and you will have here 25 minus x by 2. Now do cross multiplication. So your value will be 8.5 into 2 equals to 25 minus x. So 17 equals to 25 minus x. So x will be 25 minus 17, that is 8. Okay, that is 8. We got the value of x and y. Now since while you add, since n equals to sigma fi, and which is equal to 45 plus x plus y, and n is here equal to 60, so 60 equals to 45 plus x plus y. So on solving it, you have x plus y equals to 60 minus 45, which is 15, and you know the value of x, which is 8. Suppose this is from equation 1. So 8 plus y equals to 15. So y equals to 15 minus 8 equals to 7. This is from here, you can write from equation 1. So your answer will be x equals to 8 and y equals to 7 is your required answer. So in this way, children, you can solve when the median is given in the question and you need to find the missing frequency, like this question. So by this method you can solve x equals to 8 and y equals to 7 is your correct answer. So in this way you can solve this type of question. Children, once again I am repeating this question. This is class interval given and here are frequency given. In the frequency table you see that the two variables are here. It means the frequency are not given in the constant form. Now we need to find the value of this frequency, that is x and y. And your n, which is sum of sigma of fi, is given 60. Now first you prepare cumulative frequency table. You know how to prepare it, and thereafter you, in the question it was given that median equals to 28.5. So when median is given, then you have to look in the class interval table and you will find between which two class interval the given median is fall. So 28.5 will lie between 20 and 30. So this will be your median class. After recognizing the median class, now we apply the formula to calculate median, which is median equals to L plus N by 2 minus CF by F into H. Now putting these all values on the formula, 28.5 equals to 20 plus 30 minus bracket 5 plus x by 20 into 10, and now we simplify. After simplifying, when we transpose this 20 to the LHS, then it will become 28.5 minus 20 equals to 30 minus 5 minus x by 20 into 10. 0, 0 get cancelled. So we have 8.5 equals to 25 minus x by 2. After performing cross multiplication, 8.5 into 2 equals to 25 minus x. So 17 equals to 25 minus x. So we got the value of x equals to 25 minus 17, which is 8. Now since we know that n equals to sigma fi, and which is equal to 45 plus x plus y, and n was given, that is 60. So putting the value of n, which is 60, equals to 45 plus x plus y. From here we calculate x plus y equals to 60 minus 45 equals to 50. Now we already know from equation 1 the value of x, which is 8. So 8 plus y equals to 15, and again transposing y equals to 15 minus 8, which is 7. So in this way you got the value of x and y, x equals to 8 and y equals to 7, which is your required answer. So in this way your solution for this question has been completed. Now let's see the next question. These all things are very easy based on the formula and simple calculations. So main thing is that you have to remember the formula. Now see question number 3. A life insurance agent found the following data for distribution of ages of 100 policy holders. Calculate the median age if policies are given only to persons having age 18 years onwards but less than 60 years. 18 years onwards but less than 60 years. Okay. The table is given below 20, below 25, below 30, below 35, below 40, below 45, below 50, below 55, and below 60. So first you prepare the class interval in grouped manner. This is your question number 3. Below 50, there is difference of 5, so we can write below age, which is class interval, and which is below 20, you can write it 15 to 20. Thereafter below 25, which is 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40, 40 to 45, 45 to 50, 50 to 55, and 55 to 60. In this way, below 60 is completed. Now the number of policy holders. Number of policy holders 2624. It is given cumulative frequency. In this table, frequency is not given. You are given cumulative frequency because cumulative frequency is always in ascending form. So write in this table 2, 6, 24, thereafter 45, 2, 6, 24, thereafter 45, 78, thereafter 89, 92, and 98, and thereafter 100. So now in this question, you have to find the frequency from the cumulative frequency table. So to prepare the cumulative frequency table, First you do what? First you write the first cumulative frequency, that is 2. And now subtract the succeeding frequency from preceding frequency. Preceding frequency from succeeding frequency. So it is 6. And thereafter 18. Thereafter it will be 1 and 2, 21. It will be 3 and 3. It will be 1, 1, 11. It will be 3. It will be what? 6. And it will be 2. So in this way your frequency has been completed. Cross check it. 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 18 24, 24 plus 21 45, 45 plus 33 78, 78 plus 11 89, 89 plus 3 92, 92 plus 6 98, 98 plus 200. So in this way your frequency table has been completed. Now you have to add these all. So here n equals to will be what? 3 4 2 6 18 6 24 24 20 44 1 45 45 30 75 3 78 78 10 88 89 92 94 it is 100. Now we have to find its median class. So here now you write here n equals to 100. So n by 2 will be 100 by 2, that is 50. Now you have to see in the cumulative frequency table that is 50 is more than 45 but less than 78. So this will be your median class, that is 35 to 40. Now apply the formula for median. Median equals to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. Here L is 35 plus n by 2 equals to 50 minus CF of the class preceding the median class, that is 45, and F equals to 33 into H. H means 5 into 5. So it will be 35 plus 5 by 33 into 5. So it will be 35 plus 25 by 33. So when you divide it, 35 plus divide 25 by 33. 33 divided by 25. So put the decimal. 33 4 ja, 5 ja, 6 ja, 7 ja. 33 7 ja. I think it will go 7 times. 7 ja 78 will go 78 into case. Okay. 9 9. This is 4 4 3 1. Yes, 90. Now again you put decimal. So now it will go 5 times. Okay. So 5. 5 8 2. So your required is 0.75. So your median will be 35.75 is your required median age for the all policy holder. So this is your required answer. In this way this question has been completed. Question number 3. What you have done in these 3 questions? In these 3 questions, your 35.76 approx. It is correct. We have 35.75. In question number 3, children, we have shown that the series is given in the below form. So in below form, when series is given, 20, below 20, below 25, below 30. So there is difference of 5. So we make it in the form of a group, class group. So we have written 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, and so on. And what we have seen, the frequencies are given in the ascending order only. So it is not simple frequency, it is given cumulative frequency. So we put the given value in the cumulative frequency column, and from cumulative frequency we need to calculate its frequency also. So first you write the frequency as well as cumulative frequency, and then subtract preceding cumulative frequency by their succeeding cumulative frequency, and in this order your frequency chart has been completed. So first you write 2, 6 minus 2, 4, 24 minus 6, 18, 45 minus 24, 21, 78 minus 45, 33, 89 minus 78, 11, 92 minus 89, 3, 98 minus 92, 6, 100 minus 98, 2. So in this way your frequency chart has been completed, and the sum of the frequencies is 100. So here n equals to 100. So n by 2 will be equal to 50. And after getting these all things, we apply the formula for median, which is median equals to L plus n by 2 minus Cf by f into h, which is equal to 35 plus n by 2 is 50, and Cf is the frequency of the class preceding the median class, which is 45, and f is the corresponding frequency of the class, which is 33, and h is your class size, which is 5. So children, when we put all these things and perform simplification, then we have 35 plus 5 into 5 by 33. So 35 plus 25 by 33. When you divide 25 by 33, you get approx 0.75, 0.75. So when you add 35 plus 0.75, you will got the median age, which is 35.75, is the correct answer of this question for calculating the median. So students, I hope that all of you have understand it. So let's do practice some more question of this type to get over command it. Okay, thank you.